Here I have ULEFONE Armor 6E, and today I'm going to show you how to add a fingerprint on this device. So first of all, you go to the settings, scroll down a bit, next you tap on Fingerprint Manager. Next you have to choose your backup screen lock method. Let's for example choose pattern. Next you have to choose if you want your pattern to be required when your device starts. Let's for example choose yes. And next you just set your pattern. Let's set for example this. Next you have to choose how do you want notifications to show when your device is locked. For example, I don't want to see any notifications at all, so I just go for this. And next thing you do, you just tap on the sensor sometimes to set your fingerprint, like this. And that's it. Now you can unlock your device not only by your pattern, but also with your fingerprint. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.